In a major decision taken today, the government of India has decided to do away with the law that criminalizes attempt to commit suicide. According to National News Channel, 18 states and 4 union territories have backed the government's decision. The move was recommended by the Law Commission along with amendment of certain other sections of the CRPC and IPC in consultation with all the stakeholders. The move was recommended by the Law Commission along with the amendment of certain other sections of the CRPC and IPC in consultation with all the stakeholders. The Law Commission, in its recommendation, had said Section 309 needs to be effaced from the statute book because the provision is inhuman irrespective of whether it is constitutional or unconstitutional. Now, if a person attempts to commit suicide and survives, he won't be treated as a criminal. A person charged with Section 309 of the IPC faces up to 1 year in prison and a fine. In August, Minister of State for Home, Kiren Rijiju, had informed Lok Sabha that the Home Ministry was in the process of effacing Section 309 of the Indian Penal Code as recommended by the Law Commission, along with the amendment of certain other sections of the CRPC and IPC in consultation with all the stakeholders. For Manipur, the decision of the central government means that Irom Chenno Sharmila can no longer be charged with attempt to commit suicide. The move of the central government to decriminalize Section 309, that is to attempt to commit suicide, has been welcomed by many states. Irom Chenno Sharmila, on fast for the past 14 years, demanding repeal of Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958, has been charged with attempt to commit suicide. What will happen to her? With camera person Ahanthem Yaipava, then Shivam Sangeeta, Impact News.